Yo, 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 what's up, my crypto legends? How we doing? Local pilot, how are you doing, man? Ethereum just testing all-time highs now. Will we break it and go to 2,700? This is my target. How many of you guys are here now? Let me see. Yeah, smash up the like button, guys. Mr. Jojo, I like your TA. Thanks, man. Thank you. All right, guys, let me know if you wanted me to do any TA on any altcoins. So just let me know in the comment section. I'll be reading you through. But first, let's go through the Ethereum technical analysis that I was talking in my last video, which was this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern that I could see here in the 15-minute chart. We could see this potentially being an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern right over here. Okay, we had a little bit of consolidation. We finally breaking out, not with a huge amount of volume, but enough volume for a breakout. So we might get a bounce and continue to the upside, guys. What I'm expecting here, we are just getting resistance at the all-time high, as you can see. Okay, so this is the all-time high right over here, which is at the 2,640. But I do believe we might be breaking out because we've got this megaphone pattern, inverse shoulder and shoulder. We just broke the neckline now. So, you know, the measured move is from the head to the neckline, and from the breakout, guys, we should come all the way to the $2,700 range. We might be struggling. There is not too much volume, so we could actually turn around from here. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Satoshi's vision. All right, let's get Bitcoin Cash. I am following Bitcoin Cash quite a bit, actually, as you can see here on the chart. This is Bitcoin Cash on the 1 hourly chart. I did mention in my last video this as a potential Adam and Eve. Okay, we got this peak over here, resistance point. Okay, major support here in the past. And we've got the Adam and then the Eve right over here, but we're breaking the resistance just with hardly any volume at all. We might be seeing volume kicking in right now, but what I can see is that we are getting rejected a little bit here from this symmetrical triangle. Let me just get this bottom bit out of the way. As you can see, okay, we are getting a little rejection right over here, so we might pop here with a decent amount of volume. That's why we're just hovering around here, getting a small rejection from this downtrend channel, this downtrend line, sorry, as you can see. So yeah, Bitcoin Cash is looking bullish. You know, we might have a pop out from here. Bitcoin Cash, is Bitcoin going to 57k now? Well, let me see. Bitcoin, it is getting a little bit of rejection here at the $55,000. In my last video, I was talking about, let me just go to the 4 hourly chart here. So you can see, I did count from here as with the Fibonacci retracement tool, this being a consolidation phase and this, the drop being the start off of the drop right over here. So if I get the Fibonacci extension, we are getting a little rejection at the 50% levels. It looks like that we want to break from there now. As you can see right here, 55,000. I'm just getting some rejection around this resistance point. So yeah, next level breaking the 55,000 would be coming to the 57,000, $56,800 in my opinion. Let me just get the 1 hourly chart so you can see the resistance clearly. Okay, this orange box is the 50% level from this drop, and this orange box here is the 62% level from the Fibonacci retracement, and it's also major resistance because it's been major support in the past here, as you can see right over here. So yeah, it's been acting as major resistance right over here also. So yeah, next stop definitely if we manage to break the $55,000, $56,800, sorry, next target. Do you feel the market is still waiting for tomorrow Fed announcement regarding capital gains taxes and only that continues on? Is the actual another news then from the Fed, right, of capital gains tomorrow? Because I thought, is there another news then, Carlos? The market is still waiting for tomorrow's Fed announcement. Probably pumping the price for a drop tomorrow. Polkadot, Uniswap, and Compound. Let me check out. I mean, they're all DeFi projects, so yeah, Uniswap and Compound, definitely really bullish on them. Let's take a look at Polkadot first. So let's go with Polkadot US dollar. US dollar. And yeah, it seems like I've done a little bit of TA here in my last live stream. Looks like that we are kind of doing, yeah, we're definitely getting really good support around over here for Polkadot. Okay, this is the hourly chart. Let's zoom out on the 4 hourly. Yeah, just sideways action for Polkadot. So price is getting pretty stable in between the 28 and the $46 range. So we could potentially see a blast off for Polkadot. As you can see, there's a lot of sideways action round over here. So just sideways action here for Polkadot, also in between the $13 and the $20, and then blast off to the upside. Knowing that this bull run hasn't ended yet, you know, we can see that Polkadot just consolidating around this area. I think that Polkadot is going to hold nicely the $28 range, and it's going to retest next the $39. That's what it looks like over here. Seems like we did a double bottom pattern, we broke out, we failed, done a double top, and now crash back down to this major support level here for Polkadot. So looks like Polkadot might have a retest here at the $39.40 range, which is major resistance, as you can see here on the chart. So yeah, if we go to the 15-minute chart, let's see if we can find any patterns for Polkadot. Well, yeah, looking pretty bullish here. So clearly we've created a double bottom around this area. Right over here, bottom here, like an Adam and Eve, spike bottom here, nice round bottom. We broke out, consolidated here, turning the resistance point into support. If we even extend this, we can see it's major support round over here also. So we're just getting consolidation right over here. We're turning a little bit bullish. We might even come lower and then shoot to the upside. The measured move here from this double bottom pattern is the lower part, okay, all the way up to the resistance point. From the breakout, yeah, Polkadot can go easily to the $36 range, okay, in the next coming days. Uniswap, let's take a look at Uniswap. Uniswap, Uni US dollar, I'm guessing. Uni US dollar. Guys, make sure to smash up the like button. 37 viewers, 15 likes. Guys, make sure to smash up the like button for the algorithm. All right, Uniswap. Okay, let's go zoom out to the 1 hourly chart. Covered a little bit of a mess over here on Uniswap. Right, clearly we are actually, Uniswap is also doing all-time highs. as I can see here on the chart. So let me zoom out to the 4-hourly chart. Uniswap has its news coming out, also V3 coming out, which is going to be good for Uniswap. Very, very bullish. People might be buying on the news sooner. Maybe when it comes out, it's not what people expected, so there might be a sell-off on the news on V3 coming out. But it's looking very, very bullish. Okay, seems like we are creating like a double bottom formation here also, as you can see clearly. Got this resistance point, and we have created here nice 2 round bottoms. So we are currently breaking out from all-time high for Uniswap, same as Ethereum. So yeah, Uniswap can probably not too much volume, but in the next coming hours, you know, we might see this actually, you know, boosting to the upside. Looking very, very bullish, retesting all-time highs. You know, it could be also a double top, guys. This is not a confirmed breakout. We're just getting retested, you know, going up and down. As you can see, the all-time high is just below the $40. We've just hit $40 here on the Binance Uniswap US dollar pair. So this could be a double top also, guys, if we do not start seeing volume kicking in. It is the time now for Uniswap to show that the bulls are in control. Let's take a look at Compound quick. Okay, Ray Johnson, Compound, Comp, US dollar on the Binance, guys. All of these cryptocurrencies you can buy on Binance. If you're not signed up for Binance, you can use my link in the description. You'll be getting some discount and fees if you use my link. Right, Compound also breaking all-time highs, it looks like. Let me just go to the daily chart. Yeah, Compound looking really, really bullish. I'm not sure if Compound in the last bull run, how long has Compound been here for? But on the Binance, Compound US dollar, maybe on Coinbase. Yeah, it seems like Compound is also breaking all-time high. So yeah, let's just go to the 1-hourly chart, see if we can see some short-term technical analysis here for Compound. Yeah, Compound just breaking all-time highs. It seems like it's broken today. So we had this all-time high right over here. Not too much volume, guys. So retesting all-time highs at the moment. Right over here. So we've got a decent amount of volume, so this might hold nicely. You can see this candlestick over here. This one right over here. We're just getting tested, okay, on this candlestick, the top of this candlestick that has a huge amount of volume. So we might see volume coming in here and Compound breaking to the upside. But no major patterns here for Compound. It's looking very, very stable around the $600 and the $500 range, just sideways action. So we need a bit of parabolic move here. It's been going sideways for ages, Compound. Uniswap, thanks. Yes, tomorrow we might have some other news regarding those Fed taxes. Could you take a look at BNB? Thanks a lot, buddy. Yes, let's take a look at BNB. I have been taking a look at BNB for the last couple of days, so let's just have a quick look at BNB. Wow, I got a right mess here. Seems like we retested all-time high. We did not manage to break above it. Let's take a look. Just get all of this out of the way. So yes, it looks like we retested all-time high and we created a double top, which is very, very bearish. Came back down and retest this support level. So, but a huge consolidation. This is extremely bullish for BNB. This the double top pattern here, it seems like it's failed. As you can see, we create, well, double top here. And this one over here should have broken this this support level, okay, as you can see here on the chart, and it failed. So now we have created a double bottom pattern right over here. We've got this bottom here, and we've got this one right over here. So looking for a retest at all-time high, which is at the $620 levels. And yeah, after that, you know, if we break this point, well, we could have a really big impulse here for BNB. Let me just get this lower part here down over here, this orange box, so then we clear with this double bottom. And the measured move from here is getting this the lower part all the way to the resistance. Okay, that would be the measured move, okay, of this impulse, and we could go to the $780 range, okay, 760, 790. That should be the measured move of the impulse, okay, of this consolidation phase, double bottom, and blast off here in the next couple of days. You know, it might take a week, might take 2 weeks. We're all going to see how this retest, you know, reacts at the $620, $630 levels. So yeah, BNB looking really bullish, just consolidating nicely here for this, you know, since the 11th of April, 12th of April, it did all-time highs. Consolidation here for a week or two, and now it looks like looking for a retest after the double bottom. Thank you, sir, friend. Luna, please. Luna, please. Luna, US dollar to USDT. Luna USDT. Let's take a look at Luna USDT. Right, Luna USDT. Let me see Luna. Let's take a look. Let's zoom out here on the 4 hourly. Wow, Luna's gone absolutely parabolic, as we can see. And it looks like it's just consolidating now, making a nice round bottom. Luna's looking really, really bullish. Really bullish. It seems like, you know, a huge parabolic run since the 28th of February here at about $5. And yeah, in about a month, it's gone from $5 to $20. You know, extremely parabolic run. And now we have created like a bull flag here. Let's go to the daily chart and let's get like a macro pattern out of here. See if we definitely really bullish here for Luna. Looks like that we have created like a kind of bull flag here, and we are breaking out. Really bullish, guys. Let's go to the 4 hourly chart. Yeah, so I bet you're happy if you're holding Luna, especially if you bought a couple of months back. You're in insane profits. You know, since the late January, it was hovering around $1-2. Wow, so yeah, over a 20x in the last couple of months. If we take all of this as an impulse, okay, from this consolidation phase right over here, and all of this a leg up, okay, into this bull flag. You know, this is a clear bull flag, and the start of the pull is from this point, as you can see, and from the breakout, okay, which is about here. Yeah, we could go easily to almost the $30 range, okay, in the coming weeks if this plays out. We're going to have to retest all-time high here for Luna. Okay, but, you know, once we have this consolidation phase like this, going to the downside, creating this bull flag, broke out, we need to retest all-time high. Very, very likely it will break to the upside, and we are going to go to the $30 levels, which we might get a little bit of rejection because it's a round number, psychological number. So yeah, Terra Luna looking very, very bullish in my opinion. So yeah, Bake is pumping hard. Right, let's take a look at Bake now. Hello, can you check GLQ please? And thank you for all info. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting the channel. Let's take a look first at Bakery. Take a look at Bakery. Bakery. What was it? Bake USD. Bake USD is not on TradingView at the moment. Bake. Okay, yeah. Bake was Binance US dollar coin. Yeah. Or Binance coin. Wow, yeah, this is going super parabolic. Isn't this one, let me just check here. Yeah, this is Bakery token. This is from the Binance Smart Chain, right? Bakery, is it a decentralized swap also on the Binance Smart Chain? Potentially. Wow, this has just gone parabolic today. Wow. This has gone from $1.30 approximately today, $1.35, all the way to $2.60. So almost a 2x in just today, guys. Yeah, well, looking really bullish. This is you know, clear patterns that we are going to see a lot in cryptocurrency. Massive pumps like this, 1, 2, 3, you know, parabolic runs, and then suddenly a nice slow correction, round bottom, and then suddenly a blast off. Okay, so I think this is quite a pretty new project. This might all-time highs, it looks like it's around about the $3. So yeah, Bakery just, I guess it will reach all-time highs very soon and break from it. So after this parabolic run, you know, we might get a nice bounce from the last high over here. It looks like we're coming straight down also. So let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Yeah, a huge amount of volume. So just retesting this high now at the moment. Needs to go a little bit lower. So yeah, potentially we are going to come retest, might wick below it, and then come and retest the all-time high at $3. Yeah, Bakery looking really bullish. You know, right, nice round bottom and then blast off. Let me just take a look here. 334 million. It's currently at 182 in CoinGecko. So yeah, it's a mid cap, mid low cap at this point. So yeah, looking bullish, mid long term Bakery token. Can you check GLQ? GLQ, right, let's take a look at GLQ. GLQ US dollar. Which one is Minotauros? What is GLQ? It's not, oh yeah, okay, it's with wrapped Ethereum, so we can look at GLQ. Oh, this is GraphLink. Okay, I know which is this one, GraphLink. On TradingView, we've only got the Ethereum pair, so we'll take a look at this. But eventually, hardly any volume. When you get a chart out and you have these candlesticks that look broken, it means that there's hardly any liquidity in this market. Let's zoom out to the 1 hourly chart. Potentially the 4 hourly chart. It's just having a massive correction. GLQ, look, I think it's something got to do with Chainlink and the graph, isn't it? GraphLink protocol, that's the one. Yeah, 15 million market cap, so extremely low cap. This is a low cap gem, you could call it. This one you can buy on Gate.io, Uniswap. Yeah, it's extremely low cap, so it is just the early stages. It's just been released. The token's been released at the end of March, 21st of March. So yeah, this is typical, you know, massive pumps at the beginning, a lot of hype, you know, and then it just finds its price level. So I think this one might need a few weeks here for a consolidation, making a good nice round bottom. But I'm pretty sure this one will have some pumps in the near future. Potentially in May, we're going to see another few days and then start pumping to the upside. You know, this is a typical chart of when the token is released, you know, massive pumps, then a nice crash. Everybody, you know, gets really angry, you know, and starts in the disbelief stage, you know, once we start pumping like this, and then suddenly we're going to see massive pumps. But I've heard about this project. It seems this project has got a good team and quite a little bit of an army behind it. So It just needs to get out there, the marketing. I'm not sure if the product is working at the moment, but yeah, definitely there's going to have a consolidation phase here for weeks or maybe a couple of months, and then start shooting to the upside. Nando, thank you, my friend. You're welcome. Hernan, Mad Cow 773. Thank you, man. Love your TA. Thank you, man, for watching. Graphlink, yes. Minotauros, yeah. Graphlink. This is against the Ethereum pair. So all depending on Ethereum as well. You know, Ethereum might be exploding to $3,000, $4,000 in the next coming weeks or months, and you know, all depending if you know, the altcoins might bleed for a few weeks against Ethereum, because Ethereum now is popping. So yeah, so maybe the Graphlink is going to have long time consolidation round of this area and then shoot up. Do you think Cake will breathe a little or keep on going? Well, yeah, Cake against the Binance US dollar, I think it is. Cake. Oh, let me just see. Yeah, Cake. You know, it's at its almost all-time high. Let me just take a look here at the 15-minute. It's been going a little bit parabolic. Okay. Well, no, it's been going sideways actually for the last few weeks here. So yeah, it might keep pumping. It might keep pumping. I'm not sure what's the market cap for Cake. Market cap for Cake is 5 billion. Yeah, 5.6 billion. So it's pretty strong now. Pretty high cap. So Pancake Cake. Yeah, I think we just about broke all-time high. Okay, the 26th of April. This can keep pumping. This can actually keep pumping, as you can see, sideways and making all-time highs every single time. So it's just, as you can see right here, it's turning the highs into support. So now we are struggling a little bit. We have had a major rejection. This actually might come down, you know, it might come down and retest this support at the $31, because we can see this all-time high and it is struggling to stay above it. It hasn't had a massive blast off. But yeah, I mean, we can clearly see here that, you know, the highs are turning into support. You know, we've got these highs over here. You know, a couple of retests here of the resistance. We finally break it and it's getting nice supported. Continue to the upside. Okay, then this high over here, you know, got nicely supported. So we've only just had small pumps at the moment, but yeah, I mean, it can still keep going up perfectly here and then come back down and then retest this as support to potentially continue to the upside. Remember, we are in a bull run, so this, you know, it's just breaking all-time highs consistently for the last few weeks. So yeah, Pancake Swap looking extremely bullish here. Yeah. It hasn't actually gone parabolic just yet. It hasn't gone parabolic. It looks like it is starting, you know, the parabolic run. So this, in the next coming weeks, you know, we can go $40, $50, $60 for Pancake. It is kind of starting the parabolic run. So yeah, and there's a lot of hype also on Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, we might have a correction, break down these highs and have a retest here before potentially continuing to the upside at the $31 range. But looking bullish, looking very, very bullish. Hasn't gone parabolic, so we are consolidating around this area, and then, you know, might have a parabolic run in the next coming weeks. Ethereum really, but yeah, why so little viewers? I don't know. Yeah, 33. I have no idea. Ethereum really, but so high miner fees on this. Yeah, exactly. I mean, Ethereum 2.0 is coming out, and a lot of scaling solutions out there like Polygon. So yeah, I think Ethereum's got a bright future, definitely. We are currently breaking all-time highs, and it is struggling. There's not a huge amount of volume, as you can see here on the 15-minute chart. So be careful if you're trying to trade this. We want to see a nice candlestick, you know, like this with a huge amount of volume. So yeah. And if you can look for FunctionX, please. Let's take a look at FunctionX. Okay, FunctionX. FunctionX against the US dollar, I believe. Wow, I actually don't know this project. Let me just find here on CoinGecko FunctionX 276. Okay, so it is a mid cap, we could potentially say mid-low cap. Well, it's definitely had a great run. Okay, since the 2nd of March. We've had a really huge, nice round bottom. It was released in 2019, April 2019. So let me just zoom out here on the daily chart. Okay, so it hasn't met its all-time high just yet. But it is starting. It is starting. So yeah, you know, all this is a huge accumulation phase. All this is a huge accumulation. Here's when you want to start dollar cost averaging, you know. The cryptocurrency space, in my opinion, is halfway through the bull run. So a lot of altcoins still need to break all-time highs, such as Litecoin, you know, and many other different altcoins. So the bull run is just halfway through. Bitcoin's broken all-time high. Ethereum, you know, with Cardano. And we need to see mid caps break all-time highs still, and low caps. So still quite a few months for the bull run to go, in my opinion. Anyway, let me just take a look at the 1 hourly. It is this token is starting. It is starting. It looks like here on the charts. It has had, you know, I don't like these tokens that pump and do a 90% correction, you know, in a bull run. So I'm not too bullish. I don't know the project, but here by looking at this chart, you want to see a pump like this and potentially a 50 or a 60% correction of the pump, and then, you know, consolidation and then start pumping again. When you see this, you know, I don't like these coins that, you know, pump and dump almost 100% of, you know, the pump that it's done. As you can see right here, the same here, you know, it's had a massive pump afterwards, yes, but you know, massive pump like this, consolidation, and then it goes below, you know, the pump that it's done. I'm not too sure about this token, but it has got over 100 million, so it is a mid cap. I'm not sure about the project, if it's a decent project or not, but anyway, the technicals look bullish because there has been a huge accumulation phase. And we are slowly going up, sideways, you know, we've had a little bit of a dump here. So yeah, I mean, in this bull run, because it's just starting for many altcoins, you know, we could see massive pumps here, massive pumps for this token also. Pumps, slow, sideways, little dumps, sideways, and you know, eventually this looks like that it is going to have another massive pumps in the next couple of weeks, guys. Let's take a look at OneMoon is first deflationary token on Harmony. Right, let's take a look at this one then. What are your thoughts on Harmony? Wait, sorry, I'm just struggling with the chat here now, guys. Where was I? Function. What are your thoughts on Harmony? Okay, let's take a look at Harmony. Harmony against US dollar. No, okay. Harmony against US dollar on Binance. Right, yeah, this is looking really, really bullish. huge consolidation phase. A lot of altcoins have been pumping in late March, okay? And then now the week of April, the first couple of weeks of April have been having this huge drop, and it looks like we might be consolidating. And this is a clear chart that we are starting to pump. So I wouldn't be surprised if we break all-time highs in the next coming weeks for this for Harmony. Harmony is, I've been hearing a lot about of Harmony, and it's, you know, I'm extremely bullish on this because just by hearing it from other YouTubers, some other analysts, you know, that are bullish in this project. And yeah, massive pumps here in March. And we did create here a double top. It seemed here it failed to break all-time highs, which is perfectly fine. You know, we created also here a support level, and it looks like that Harmony actually had a decent correction. You know, measured move here from double top to the support level from the breakout. Yeah, gone over the target. So anyway, what else can we see for Harmony? Just got supported here, double bottom, so it might be bottoming out right over here at 8 cents, currently at 14 cents. The high here is at 22 cents. Yeah, you know, we might be actually consolidating around this area and then start pumping. Looks a nice, very, very healthy correction and starting to pump now. So yeah, Harmony is looking very bullish. Easy high here at the 22 cents in the next coming weeks. Harmony, I think Harmony's got a quite high cap. I think it is a high cap altcoin. 91, so yeah, definitely over a billion. Yeah, 1.3 billion almost in market cap. Yeah, Harmony's looking really healthy now. Definitely some pumps coming, retesting all-time high in the next coming weeks. Yeah, potentially in May. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at where are we here in the chat? Okay, would you please check Mana? Okay, let's take a look at Decentraland. I think this is, yeah. Mana against the US dollar here on Binance. Guys, if you're not signed up to Binance and you want to purchase any of these cryptos, make sure to use the link in the description. You'll be getting a discount, okay, guys? And you'll be helping out the channel, obviously. Right. Decentraland. Yeah. Looking bullish. Hasn't gone extremely parabolic just yet. It has gone parabolic here in March. But, you know, I like these tokens, especially like Mana. I think it's in the gaming industry, right? Gaming or ETF industry. This sideways action, okay, we did do a double top here, right over here, but we managed to break nicely. And we kind of been wicking down, you know, it is struggling to stay above this area. So it has actually wicked down a couple of times from this high. And double bottom here, clear double bottom, as you can see. And we actually, you know, if we connect this, broken out from this kind of descending wedge potentially. So yeah, we could expect Mana going, you know, at least testing all-time highs in the next coming weeks, potentially in days. Looking bullish for Mana. I know it is a legit project, so yeah, definitely some pumps for Mana in the next coming weeks, guys. Yeah, definitely all-time high at 160. Polygon. Guys, 57 viewers. Make sure to smash up the like button. Let's take a look at Dent. I've been looking at Dent for several months. Hang on a second. Let's just scroll up here because I might be missing the chat. I might be missing some altcoins here. OneMoon. Okay, next one is OneMoon. Ooh. Let's take a look at OneMoon quickly. OneMoon. Is OneMoon actually listed yet? It's not on. I think it's not on TradingView just yet. OneMoon. What's OneMoon? Dent. Well, Dent. Let's take a look at Dent. I know Dent went extremely parabolic. I remember seeing Dent, you know, just at, you know, not even half of a cent. Wow, Dent has really had a huge parabolic run in March, but it looks pretty stable now. Wow. Well, this is hard. This is hard because the drop for Dent, but it is picking up. It is picking up. Let me see the drop that it's had here. From the top, you know, this correction is a 76% correction. I mean, that is extremely high, especially in a bull market. I'm not very familiar with the project, but this is an extremely high correction. You know, we want to see 30, 40, maybe 50% correction sometimes, but 76% correction is just extreme. It is too much, definitely in a bull market. Definitely it must have shaked out some weak hands, this correction. A lot of people must have entered Dent, you know, around this parabolic run, potentially over here, potentially here also, you know, breaking these all-time highs. And when you have a correction like this, you know, and slowly going down and down and down, all the people that have been buying over here, you know, a lot of weak hands here selling off, you know, in a loss because they just can't handle this huge drop. But it looks like Dent is picking up. I'm not too familiar with the project, but it has been here for a long time, Dent. It has been here. I remember hearing about Dent in 27. It's got up till September here on the Binance Dent US dollar pair. But this actually might pick up. I'm looking at this chart. I'm not extremely bullish on Dent. But yeah, potentially consolidation phase, you know, maybe double bottom, correction here or sideways and start pumping to meet all-time highs here for Dent. Remember, we are in a bull run, so, you know, we might see huge corrections, but then huge pumps in the next coming weeks, guys. What is OneMoon? I have no idea what is OneMoon. I've heard of SafeMoon, which is on the Binance Smart Chain, but OneMoon I have not heard of. OneMoon is an Harmony token. Really bullish. Thank you. How much is the expected top for Ethereum today, Jethro Messias? Okay, because it's not listed yet on. All right, OneMoon, it seems like it's not listed. It's definitely not on TradingView. I've been looking at it. Ethereum, where can Ethereum top? Well, I was looking at the $2,700 range because of this inverse shoulder and shoulder pattern. I wanted to enter a trade here, but I am actually going to cancel it now. I had it just at the support area. I was looking for a retest here and then a bounce to the upside. So I'm going to take my Ethereum trade out and look for a potential a trade here for Ethereum in the next coming hours, all depending on how we are going to consolidate, how much volume there is going to come in. But now we are retesting all-time highs, the last all-time highs at 2,640. If we zoom here on the 15-minute chart, yeah, just having a retest now at the $2,640 range. Let's go to the 5-minute chart, zoom in. Not an extreme amount of volume Yes, we've had volume here on the pump. Guys, I mentioned this in my last video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum and some other altcoins also. So make sure to subscribe. I mentioned this in my last video, okay? We could see this resistance point, okay, creating higher highs. We had a little fake out right over here, but I was connecting all of these highs, okay, and I could see this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. And an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder doesn't have to be on a flat resistance or support. It can be also in an uptrend or a downtrend, okay, line. And you know, the measured move here, you know, I could see this as a left shoulder right over here, this left shoulder over here, this head and this other shoulder, okay, as you can see right here, like this. And the measured move, okay, is getting from the head all the way up to the resistance point, to the neckline, okay. And then from the breakout, guys, you know, we're almost meeting the target, you know, here. Almost meeting the target already, which is at 2,700. So, yeah, a top here for today maybe is 2,700 for Ethereum, just because of this pattern. We have broken all-time highs. Sky is the limit. You know, when we break all-time highs, you know, the sky is the limit because we are in price discovery. You know, we could shoot up to 2,800 maybe. Also, I told you this as a megaphone pattern. If you measure this as a megaphone pattern, you know, we could clearly see this resistance and support. We could see this support right over here, okay? And the measured move from a megaphone pattern is getting the width, okay, of the megaphone pattern. And from the breakout, you know, we could also see the $2,770 range. So yeah, this was mentioned in today's video, guys, in today's video. To the resistance point, and from the breakout, you know, we could potentially see. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for these signals, okay, guys. And remember, if you are interested in trading, guys, make sure to check out the Bybit leverage trading platform. If you use my link in the description, there's a bonus of up to $1,610, okay? All the information is here in the description. If you watch my video today, I was expecting this breakout to retest all-time high. As you can see, first target. Okay, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum and some altcoins. Also, if you leave me your altcoins in the comment section, I'll also do some short-term technical analysis, you know, just a quick overview on them altcoins also. Carl from the moon is commenting. Yeah, and thank you, man. Thank you. Let me see any altcoins, guys. Do you want me to check out? MATIC is on a run to $1. MATIC, yeah, MATIC is actually breaking all-time highs, I think. I've checked this one before. Let's go and see MATIC, which is Polygon, right? Is it Polygon? I think Polygon US dollar. Polygon US dollar here. Yes, I mean, look at this. Extremely parabolic though. I would be careful. You know, if you're going to hold for the mid-long run, maybe for this bull run, you can actually get some Polygon and hold it. But yes, definitely. I have heard other analysts saying that Polygon is going to $1. MATIC is going to $1. But for trading, you know, this could be, I think this can be traded on Binance Futures, guys. If you are interested, make sure to use the link in the description. You'll be saving in fees 10% if you use my link for Binance Futures. Let's take a look at Polygon. Here, I think you can trade it on Binance Futures. Yeah, here, MATIC US dollar tether. Polygon is ranked 50, so definitely a mid-high cap, $3 billion. So yeah, because we're halfway here in the bull run, you know, definitely a big run for Polygon yet. Still here in this bull market. We are kind of creating an ascending wedge maybe here, it looks like, for Polygon. There is major resistance, or maybe even Yeah, it looks like it's kind of losing steam a little bit, okay? Remember, a lot of people buying around this area, around this huge accumulation phase. We might be entering a little distribution phase right over here. You know, these highs are struggling, and we might have a little dip for MATIC, for Polygon. You know, it looks like these highs are not getting some strength, okay? You can see some selling pressure here in the volume. But definitely mid-long term, MATIC looks quite bullish. Definitely. We might have a consolidation, you know, distribution, you know, another accumulation phase, and then shoot to the upside. You know, we've gone on the 26th of April, we've gone from 35 cents to 60 cents. So I do not see this having, you know, another leg up. We might have a consolidation phase and then shoot to the upside. Be careful, guys, if you are trading this, or if you're entering, you are entering at all-time highs. So if you buy it, I would buy it for the mid-long term here, for the next few months in this bull run. Do you think MATIC is on the run to $1? Yes, potentially in the next coming weeks, like I said, months. How about double bottom targets? What's that? All right. Could you make a video on OneMoon? Yeah, I might get a video on OneMoon, actually. Why not? This is the one on Harmony, right? Harmony chain. I'll have a look at OneMoon. Definitely diamond hands. Let's do to OneMoon. Just Jeweled $2 in 2021. What is Jeweled? I haven't heard of this altcoin. Jewel swap. Jewel swap. Okay, I guess it's a decentralized exchange on the Binance Smart Chain. You can get it on Pancake. Jewel swap. 43 million, so it's a low cap. It's been released not too long ago. Oh well, it's had its run. A huge correction, as I can see here. Yeah, I mean, there's so many different swaps coming out at the moment. So, you know, the most important ones, Uniswap, you know, being on the Ethereum blockchain, and then, you know, Pancake Swap, Bunny Swap. You know, there's so many swaps coming out, which it can be, you know, for speculation, it's fine, but maybe a lot of these swaps, you know, might die off because, you know, we can't have 100 swaps. You know, there is room for a lot of decentralized exchanges. But, you know, maybe let's take a look, see if it's in the charts, just to do some short-term technical analysis. Jewel swaps. Jewel swap, Tether, Jewel swaps, US dollar. Yeah, massive correction here. Let's go to the 4-hourly chart. Well, it seems it's just been released on, is it Hot BTC, Hit BTC. Let's take a look at Tether here. Yeah, but just taking a look here on CoinGecko, you know, massive hype. It's released here at the beginning of February, you know, first pump and then second parabolic run, and now it's just having this huge accumulation phase. So yeah, I mean, definitely if it's got potential for a swap now, is if Pancake Swap, Uniswap, all these have a run, you know, these other dexes might have a decent run also. Yeah, it's taking quite a long time to connect here on the. Yeah, just another decentralized exchange. There's so many coming out, you know. Yeah, maybe for this run you could take some profit, you know, make some profits on this as speculation. Let's take a look at OneMoon. Yes, I'll do a video on OneMoon. Talking about is on Harmony Network. We'll have to look at OneMoon because SafeMoon went absolutely parabolic. What's SafeMoon doing at the moment? Be careful with 20% down in a day. Be careful, guys, with these. Be careful. Look at this. These are so messy. This chart is so messy. It looks like it's going to pump from here, you know, and you're just going to lose a lot of money. This might crash, you know, another 50% by tomorrow. I'm staying away. So it seems OneMoon is like one of another meme coin on the Harmony network. So Dogecoin, yeah, Dogecoin is going to go to $1. It will go to $1. But maybe in a couple of weeks, maybe in a couple of months, maybe next year, who knows? But you know, the goal is to get to $1. And I think the huge community will actually pump it, you know, no matter what. Huge marketing, you know, we got Elon Musk, you know, and a lot of TikTokers, you know, at the end it will eventually hit $1. We just don't know when. Very hard to do technical analysis on Doge because it is just a pump and dump coin. It has been, and it still will be, in my opinion. And it's also got an infinite supply. So let's take a look at Doge. Yeah, I mean, look at this, you know, these charts are so messy. This is so many people buying and selling at the same time. Nothing, you know, sustainable on this coin, in my opinion. We cannot have this huge crash, you know, suddenly of 70%, almost 70% in, you know, was it 5 days, 4 or 5 days, you know, all the way up to 43 cents and then just all back down to 14 cents. I'm staying away from this. If you bought, you know, a few months ago, you made huge profits. I've never bought Dogecoin because, you know, in the past, you know, it's just a pump and dump, you know, massive pump, and then it just takes ages to recover. It just takes ages. So, but it's just going crazy with the marketing, you know, with TikTok, Elon Musk. It will go to $1, definitely, in my opinion. How can I speak to you one-on-one for advice? Well, I do not do financial advice. You know, you could always send an email to Bitcoin Census email. I'll leave it in the comment section. OneMoon still in accumulation. Can you check Dent or Hollow? I've checked Dent before in the stream, but let's take a quick look now at Dent. Dent, US dollar. Yeah, I mean, just it's had massive pumps. It's still probably got a run here in this bull market, but it has done, I know it's done over 1,000% in a couple of months. So if we go from this low over here all the way up here, yeah, 11,000%. So this is yeah, it's done a 100x. Dent has already done a 100x, and it's been here for ages. It's had a huge accumulation phase, so be careful if you're getting in here. You know, so I think there's still several months for the bull run to continue. So Dent can go to 50 cents. Who knows? It might do another 50x from here. But I'm not too familiar with the project. But all this accumulation phase, you know, people are buying here slowly and consistently. Okay, and not pumping the price too much, and then suddenly this goes like that, and a lot of people here might be selling off. So we might enter like a distribution phase here, and then suddenly come down. But because we're in a bull run, you know, this might have still a long run to go. We're actually pumping from this huge correction, and cryptocurrency is crazy, guys. This could actually do another 50x. It's already done a 100x. And you know, if it does another 50x, people that are bought down here are going to make insane money. You know, you just buy $1,000 worth of Dent down over here, and if this goes to 50 cents, you've just done a few million with that $1,000. So definitely, I do believe it might still continue pumping because there's still some months to go for the bull run. Holo, let's take a look at Holo chain. Yeah, Holo is pretty stable. I think it's a mid cap. No, it should be in the top 50. Holo, well, 52 ranked on CoinGecko. 30% up today. Yeah, massive concert. Yeah, a lot of the coins, you know, have been pumping in March. having a massive, not a crash, but consolidation, as you can see here. And yeah, I mean, this is really healthy, really healthy. Definitely bullish here on Holo. A lot of people. It has a huge community also. It has almost 3 billion market cap, which is, you know, mid-high cap already. Nice consolidation. We can expect some really big pumps right over here. Kind of done a double bottom pattern, you know, bottoming out here potentially. Now we might have sideways action before we start pumping hard. So yeah, definitely Holo, a huge community. I know it's a good, decent enough project. Definitely, you know, this might be the bottom actually, the 1 cent right over here, and we're going to come back to the 3 cent level for Holo chain. Yeah, looking bullish. Holo looking bullish. Nice healthy correction. It's time to start pumping. Is it a good time to buy Ethereum? Is it a good time to buy Ethereum? Well, it's always good time to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, in my opinion. Ethereum definitely, you know, being, you know, the you know, the best blockchain project, you know, that where you can build dApps on top of it. I know the fees are expensive, but they are trying to fix that issue. And Ethereum can go to 5,000, even 10,000. I've heard crazy predictions of $20,000. Maybe not this cycle, but I am pretty confident this cycle we're going to go in between $5,000 and $10,000, maybe $8,000. So yeah, definitely another 3x for 3x for Ethereum. So Ethereum is a good buy for the long run. You know, it's a really solid blockchain, and it's going to be here in the next, you know, 10 years at least. You know, potentially 2050. But definitely in the mid-long term, 4 or 5 years, who knows, Ethereum can go to $50,000, you know, in next cycle. For this cycle, I'm expecting $8,000 peak. I'm going to start being, you know, start taking profits at $5,000 for Ethereum. But definitely a good buy for the long run. 1 ETH, well, that's decent enough. It's great. A lot of people haven't got even half of ETH. So 1 ETH is pretty good. You know, just hodl it. Hodl the Bitcoin and Ethereum are for hodling. So should I buy ETH now? Will it go more from here? Well, Ethereum, it is breaking all-time highs, but with not a huge amount of volume. So who knows? We might have a sell-off here. This might be a fake out, and we might see it, but might have a sell-off because there's not too much volume. Not too much volume from this breakout. So yeah, just dollar cost average for Bitcoin and Ethereum, best strategy ever. I've been dollar cost averaging since 2018. I entered in the bear market, and I was dollar cost averaging every single week, every single month, accumulating and accumulating. So just do that for the long run. You're not going to get rich in a couple of years. You make a decent amount of money for the next couple of years. So just dollar cost average. Price prediction for Harmony, you did not mention. Do you think 10 billion market cap possible? It's faster and cheaper than Ethereum 2.0. Harmony for a $10 billion market cap. Yeah, potentially in this bull run. Potentially, yeah. It's 92, so it's just over 1 billion, 1.3 billion. It could easily go to $10 billion. You know, if we see the total crypto market cap, the total crypto market cap is about 2 trillion now. Total crypto market cap is about 2 trillion, and we are expecting the total crypto market cap to go to about 8-10 trillion in this cycle. So definitely it could go to 10 billion if it's just 1 billion. And I know it's a solid project, it's a solid blockchain network, so definitely another 10x in this bull run. Yeah, for sure, yeah. Harmony can do another 10x, maybe, well, maybe not a 10x, maybe an 8x, 10x, but yeah, definitely going to 10 billion in my opinion, guys. This is only my opinion. Eventually, this is no financial advice, but if we see the 2017 bull run, okay, You know, we went from 83 billion, you know, we are more or less, you know, this is early 2017, and here we can see the peak of the bull run, just under 1 trillion, which is what it was at, about $750 billion, you know, and I think now in the cycle, we're about this, round about this area, having this correction, you know, this small correction. We could even come lower, guys. Look how these huge corrections came in the bull run. So we haven't had even, you know, 60% of this correction. We've just had 60% like a correction like this. And everybody's freaking out. Guys, there is several months. Potentially this run could go till next year. But I'm expecting September, maybe. September, definitely before December, the peak of this bull run, in my opinion. So if we are expecting this crypto bull cycle to come all the way up here to about $8-10 trillion, you know, mid caps and high caps such as Harmony are going to, you know, 10x. You know, some of them are even going to 50, 100x. Some mid-low caps, but definitely Harmony, I do see an easy 10x. If we are going from 2 trillion to 8 trillion, a lot of liquidity, you know, still for coins like Harmony. Let me say, I'm losing pace here on the chat now. Price prediction for Harmony, well, yeah, we said, yeah, potentially could go to 10 billion market cap. Question, is it cool to sell Ethereum at all-time high level? I want to sell it at all-time high. Well, now it's at all-time high, so you can sell now, but because we are just halfway through the bull run, in my opinion, you know, I would start selling Ethereum maybe from $5,000. I would. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to maybe start dollar cost rate, averaging out on my Ethereum position. So when we hit $5,000. When it decreases, for example, $100, I'll buy it again to increase my Ethereum amount. I mean, Ethereum is going to be here for years, guys, and it can go to tens of thousands of dollars. So think mid-long term, not short term. I wonder about for all coins. I'm just asking the logic. Yeah, I hate math. Can you look at SafeMoon? SafeMoon, yeah. Let's take a look at SafeMoon. But SafeMoon is like Dogecoin. It is a meme coin. In my opinion, you know, SafeMoon is just been super hyped. SafeMoon is only here on Uniswap against SafeMoon with wrapped Ethereum. What is the ticker? Is it RFI for SafeMoon? SafeMoon. Yeah. SafeMoon is not here on. It's not on TradingView yet. SafeMoon. Wrapped Ethereum. Yeah, no data here for SafeMoon. Sorry. Can you look at SafeMoon? AP 1005 ETH. Let's go. You got 5 Ethereum. Well, hold on tight to those 5 Ethereum. But what about OneMoon? Those other guys in chat talked about OneMoon. It seems it's a project on the Harmony network. I think I read before, and yeah, this project hasn't released just yet. What about Happy? Let's take a look at Happy. Happy with wrapped Ethereum. Yeah, it's still very. It seems like this project has only just launched. Let's take a look here at Happy. I'm not familiar with Happy, and I'm not going to do a review here on this live stream of Happy, but it seems they've only just released on the 11th of March. Double top now, having a huge consolidation. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with Happy, but you know, this doesn't look. It might have a long accumulation phase before start pumping again. By looking at the chart here on CoinGecko. Nice, I agree with Nice. I agree with you on Harmony. Yeah, I mean, if the total market cap, guys, is at 2 trillion, and we're expecting an 8 to 10 trillion market cap in this bull run. Okay, so we could easily go to 8-10 trillion, and Harmony is now at 1.3 billion dollars in coin market cap. So yeah, definitely a 10x from here for Harmony. NFT art, SafeMoon, any thoughts? SafeMoon, well, got to be super careful with SafeMoon, because, you know, a lot of hype on SafeMoon, and I'm just not into Doge or SafeMoon or any NFTs or any meme coins or anything. But, you know, I have a 17% correction today, which is okay. But yeah, it's had over, you know, look at this. This is over a 60% correction, potentially 70, from 0.00009 all the way down to 3, which is over a 66% correction. And this has been in a couple of days. So from the 21st of April to the 23rd, it's done a 66% correction. Just imagine the people that have put $10,000 or $20,000, and then suddenly 2 days after, you know, they're at $3,000. I am staying away at this, and, you know, after this pump in here, it's having another crash. I'm staying away from these coins, guys. Be careful with these coins. You might hold it, and this could go, you know, could do a 10x, do a 100x, like Dogecoin. You know, I've never been bullish on Dogecoin, and I've been seeing it for years now, and it's done it over 100x, over 200x. But this is just luck, in my opinion. It's gambling. So what's your take on XRP? XRP, it's not one of my favorite altcoins. I'm not too bullish. Actually, I do not like XRP, but, you know, if you don't like it, you can trade it. Just speculate on it. And because it has a huge army, you know, XRP will break all-time highs, in my opinion. It will break all-time highs. So after breaking all-time highs, which is at about $3.20, we could easily go to $10, $20. And I know a lot of people are thinking that XRP is going to go to $80, $100. You know, it might, but you need so much liquidity. XRP's market capitalization now is XRP. Let's take a look at XRP. 64 billion. So yeah, just to go to $10, to $14, it needs to go to 600 billion, okay, which is very hard, in my opinion, very hard in this bull cycle. I think XRP might peak at $8, $7, $8 in this bull run. Potentially it's got a 4 or 5x from here. It's just they've got so many coins out there, and I know there's a huge army, and look, 46 billion in circulation, and there is a total 100 billion. So where are those 54 billion? Also, I know they've got it locked up somewhere. Or, you know, I've never liked XRP. You know, the banking coin. You know, it's had this it's the banking coin. 64 billion. You know, very hard for a 10x. If this total crypto market cap in this cycle is going to do 8-10 trillion, it might peak around those areas. You know, and this to do a 10x, it's almost going to 1 trillion. So does that mean XRP is going to have a 10th of the total market cap, crypto market cap? Very unlikely, very unlikely. There's so many other projects that deserve, in my opinion, you know, more market capitalization than XRP. XRP could go to 500 billion, maybe 400 billion maybe in this cycle. So yeah, maybe 8x for XRP. Just under $10, peaking under $10, $8 maybe, in my opinion. Potential long term for XRP, yeah, it might. XRP might have, you know, it might have potential. I just don't like this this, you know, the tokenomics and the project review, you know, being the banking coin. You know, the whole point of the cryptocurrency, in my opinion, is to be decentralized. So DeFi projects, you know, and Bitcoin, all of these decentralized cryptocurrencies, I absolutely love. But XRP is not decentralized; it is total centralized. And yeah, not bullish on XRP for the mid-long term. Can you look at BTT? BTT is BitTorrent, right? I think BTT, I know it had a huge run up. BTT US dollar. Let's go with Binance here. Yeah, BTT US dollar. Let's go with FunctionX. I think it will have the most history on BitTorrent. Yeah, I mean, huge parabolic run for BitTorrent. Okay, since February, since late January, but I'm not too familiar with the project. I know it's quite a high cap, definitely over 1 billion. I think it's got a couple of billion. BTT, couple of billion of market cap, ranked 32, up 8% today. So yeah, it's on the Tron chain. I do not like Tron, so yeah, I am not bullish on this. But I know BitTorrent, I used to use BitTorrent, you know, for downloading loads of, you know, music and movies. So definitely this project could actually continue and might have a future. Just having a consolidation phase now, a nice retracement. This chart looks quite bullish actually. It's had a nice run up to the upside, consolidation, run up, consolidation, run up. You know, you don't want to see this and then this. You know, if you see this and then sideways action, maybe a little bit low, you know, that means that the price is getting accumulated again. It's getting accumulated back. Let's take a look at the 4 hourly. This chart actually looks quite bullish, in my opinion. So, and I know it is a decent project, BitTorrent. So, yeah, pretty bullish on BitTorrent. The chart looks pretty good. Technical analysis on these mid-low caps is very difficult, because someone can just come in with $50 million and buy it and just have a huge pump. So it's very difficult. But it looks like we are consolidating, like in this bull flag. We haven't just broken just yet. We've just had a wick here, as you can see. Consolidation. So yeah, once we pop out from this flag, we're definitely coming to retest all-time high, which is just about above the 1 cent. Right over here. So yeah, could see a pop out for BTT. Looking bullish. I know it is a good project. Well, Chemcoin. What is Chemcoin? Let's take a look at Chemcoin. I've never heard of Chemcoin. Oh, Nem, right? Is it Nem you're talking about? Rajam. Chem. Yeah, I know this has got its own network, right? I think. But yeah, it's been here for ages. It's been here since 2014, 2015. It seems massive, huge peak here in the last bull run. Guys, look in less than a month how much you can go up here in crypto. So I do believe we are in this stage in the bull market, around about this stage. So we might have a huge pump in the next coming months for different altcoins. But yeah, this doesn't look extremely good. Let's take a look at Chem here on the trading view chart. Yeah, it looks like we're kind of having like an ABC correction here for Chem. Does look like a kind of ABC correction. You know, if you're familiar with the Elliott wave theory, okay, we could see this as an ABC correction, and this 1, 2, 3. So coming from this consolidation phase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Elliott wave theory and an ABC correction. This being the A, the B, and the C. Okay, just coming below the 3. So everything, you know, with the Elliott wave theory, everything is connecting nicely. And we can actually start pumping here now to the upside. So it is actually looking at the chart very, very bullish. You know, huge consolidation round over here, round bottom, you know, during 2019, 2020. And now starting, you know, with the Elliott wave theory. And this is textbook right over here. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC correction. And correction has just gone below the number 3 wave. So yeah, this could actually start be pumping hard. Yeah, very, very bullish. NEM looks very, very bullish on the chart. And it has been here for years. I think they've got a decent project, decent network behind, and good team. So we could see NEM, you know, come to definitely a 10x, in my opinion. You know, what's the market cap? 3 billion. Yeah, it could go to 30 billion in this cycle. Yeah, potentially go to $4. Should I sell my ETH on all-time high? Right. You never know where all-time high is. It is actually at all-time high right now. But like I said before, we are halfway through the bull run, in my opinion. I think we've got a long run. Ethereum could go to $5,000, $8,000, maybe $10,000. I've been hearing some other analysts and YouTubers saying $10,000 Ethereum. So I would just hold Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum are mid long-term holds. You know, if you want to trade it, you know, for speculation, it's fine. But Bitcoin and Ethereum is for long runs. Hi, Moni. Hello, one of my, you know, best supporters of the channel. I am Moni. Hey, got some free time and I got notification that you're live. Love to see. Thank you very much. Have been researching on Sol. Lot of talk on it. Solana. Yeah. I remember the launch of Solana. It was just about $1, I think. $1, $2. And yeah, it's gone over $20 now. I think number 15. So definitely, is it 10 billion, 11 billion market cap. It's got its own network. You know, a lot of people saying it's faster than Ethereum. There's so much blockchain competition now. Cardano, Ethereum, Solana, Harmony, you know, Binance. So much competition. This one's faster, this one's slower. But Ethereum has got so much. Ethereum's, most of the tokens, I would say 40-50% or even more of the ERC20s, they run on the Ethereum blockchain. So very hard to overtake Ethereum at this point. But if Ethereum, if it doesn't makes a solution on its scalability, it's going to have major problems in the next coming years. It might, you know, it's still it's too soon for all of this blockchain projects. Ethereum needs to find a solution on its scalability for sure. This chart is looking extremely bullish. Let's take a look at the chart of Solana here on TradingView against the US dollar on Binance. I mean, look at this. It's not just parabolic just yet, but yeah, I mean, extremely bullish. I know a lot of people are bullish on Solana network. Let's take a look here at the 1 hourly chart, see if we can see some short term. It's looking bullish, you know, it's almost at all-time highs. It's just been at all-time highs here yesterday. So, you know, definitely it does deserve a cool off or sideways action before we start pumping again. Very difficult to do some analysis here on at all-time highs cryptocurrencies. Very difficult, but it's looking really bullish. You know, discuss, we could do this. You know, we are in an uptrend channel here for the last couple of weeks. So as long as we remain in this channel, you can stop flip bearish here on the 1 hourly chart if we break this channel. but everything's looking very, very bullish for Solana. We might continue to the upside in this channel and even break the channel and start going parabolic. Guys, we are just halfway in this bull cycle. In the next coming months, we are going to see so much parabolic moves for different altcoins. It's going to be crazy. Thank you, bro. Can you look on Win? Yeah, let's take a look at Win. Win? Which one is Win? Let me just take a look here. Oh, Wink. Okay, this is this one rings a bell. It's on the Tron network, so yeah, I'm not too extremely bullish on projects on Tron, but I know it's had a huge parabolic run. Is this got to do with bets or gaming? Is it gambling or gaming? The best oracle in the Tron ecosystem. Wink. Okay. Wink is to feed trusted price data DeFi platform, trusted off-chain data for more use cases, and accelerate Tron ecosystem building. So yeah, okay. This could actually be a bullish token on the Tron network. So let's take a look at the chart here for Wink. Win US dollar here on Binance, guys. If you haven't signed up for Binance yet, guys, you'll be getting some fees discount if you use my link in the description. Make sure to use it if you're not on Binance yet, guys. You'll be helping out the channel immensely. Let's take a look at this. Right, it seems like we kind of created a descending triangle kind of thing. Right, major support here, which was broken to the downside, and it's major resistance here for Win. This is extremely normal. Okay, after this huge parabolic run, this run over here definitely needs a cool off, coming down, and yeah, this could look quite bullish at the moment. Let's go to the auto here. So yeah, this just been bouncing around this support area right over here, here, and finally breaking down. So, and now we are retesting. If we break this resistance point, yeah, it's going to be extremely bullish for Win. We are kind of doing a very weird inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. Maybe we can see this as a shoulder, potentially this as the head, and this as the shoulder. Okay, so we are, you know, kind of bottoming out here, and if we break this resistance point, yeah, it's going to be looking very, very bullish for Win. Yeah, Win is looking really bullish. If we manage to break above this resistance, we are struggling now, you know, wicking up, down, up and down. If we manage to get quite a decent amount of volume here for Win, breaking the 0.0015, 14.5, then with a decent amount of volume here, yeah, this definitely coming back to retest all-time high. The measured move here from like this inverse shoulder and shoulder pattern from the breakout, you know, we'll be coming back to the 0.002 here for Win. So yeah, Win is looking bullish. It seems like it is kind of bottoming out here. If we manage to break this resistance point, in my opinion, we'll be coming to meet all-time highs by looking at this chart. Thoughts on UBX? Sorry, UBX. Okay, what's UBX? I've never heard of UBX. I think UBX, is it Ubix network? 50% today. No market cap at the moment. Maybe it's just been here for a few days or a few weeks. Wow, it's had a massive run. I actually don't know this. It's not on the Ethereum. It's just Ubix network. It's got its own blockchain then, if it runs on the blockchain. We are Ubix, a digital universe with endless possibilities. Okay. Our ecosystem, Ubix, is our hybrid DAG. Ubix Exchange, Silent Notary, crowd feeding, DeFi Gate. Okay, website looks all right. You can see the team. Or no, these are, I comments, right? Okay. I know the team. Yeah, the website looks all right. It's had a massive run, huge crash. Let's check out and see if we can find it on the chart. UBIX network. UBX US dollar. Yeah, on KuCoin. Okay, guys, if you haven't got a KuCoin account, there's a link also in the description. I'll be leaving that also, and you'll be getting some fees, I think. Discount. Yeah, no, I mean, this has just been released here on TradingView, so there's not much. I thought here I was on the daily chart, but yeah, it's too soon here. But by looking at this chart, you know, it's had a massive, this is definitely a 60% correction. Gone from 0.0043 all the way down to 0.0015. So yeah, over 60% correction. So whoever bought, round over here, is definitely in pain at the moment. But it's getting a nice pump at the moment. So yeah, my website looks pretty decent. This might have a decent run in this cycle. XMR. Should I sell Ethereum or not? Yeah, don't sell Ethereum. In my opinion, Ethereum will go to over $5,000 in this bull run. In my opinion, guys. So should I sell Ethereum? XMR. Let's take a look at XMR, guys. Check copy of solar. Can Chili's go? Hang on a second. I'm not following the chart now. The comment section. Chili's, okay, the next one is from UBX is Chili's. Coin breaks his all-time high. Can Chili's break all-time high? Yeah, definitely. Chili's is it's the blockchain for the sports industry. So, and it's the biggest one that I know at the moment. So not very too much competition with Chili's. Chili's, what is the let's see, Chili's here. Chili's. CHZ. The ticker is CHZ US dollar on Binance. Yeah, definitely breaking all-time highs for Chili's, in my opinion. Let's go to the 4-hourly chart. Must have had a massive correction. Oof, kind of done a double chop scenario here. So we need to wait to see if Chili's has a nice round bottom and starts pumping to the upside. Just sideways action here for Chili's. I know there's good stuff coming for Chili's, and they've got loads of tokens. On football, they have Barcelona token, Juventus token. So they're the pioneers on the sports industry. So definitely bullish for Chili's. Chili's could go to easily. Well, it's already almost gone to $1. On the Binance chart, we can see it's gone to 90 cents. So yeah, I see Chili's going over $1 easily. What's the market cap here for Chili's? It's on 54, so it's got to be 3-4 billion. Yeah, 2.7 billion. Yeah, it could go to 20 billion, maybe a 10x, maybe to $5 in this bull run. If we go to $10 trillion in total market capitalization. So Chili's is the pioneer in the sports industry, so definitely bullish on Chili's. BitTorrent surges 30%. Yes, BitTorrent is looking really good. We've just checked out BitTorrent memes Pichioto. All-time highs, achieving a market capitalization of 5 billion. Yeah, BitTorrent. Yeah. UBX, ETH Beta, ERN. This is Eternity Chain, is it? ERN Eternity Chain. Yeah, Eternity Chain is looking. It's had a huge correction. This is on the NFT space, right? I've heard a lot about this project. NFT collectibles. Yeah. Yeah, so this is on in the NFT in the NFT space. Yeah. I have heard about Eternity. The chart is looking a little bit bloody at the moment. ERN US dollar, ERN US dollar. No, sorry. ERN US dollar. Yeah, still not listed here. Eternity. ERN against ERN token against wrapped Ethereum, so we can check Eternity against Ethereum, and yeah, I mean this is typical in cryptocurrency, and this is just in weeks. So we might be bottoming out here, who knows, but all of the cryptocurrencies, you know, have been pumping in March and then having this huge correction, so everybody's freaking out, everybody's thinking this is the end of the bull run. But yeah, I do think Ethereum is, I've heard the project, you know, a lot of crypto analysts and YouTubers have been talking about it. So I guess it is a decent project in the NFT space. So we might be bottoming out here. This is against Ethereum, so maybe against the US dollar, it's not this bloody. But against Ethereum, you know, it's had a massive, massive correction. 85% in just, you know, a couple of weeks. Against Ethereum. Once Ethereum starts cooling off, remember guys, if you've been here before in the last bull cycle in 2017, usually Bitcoin and Ethereum, you know, start running up first, and then, you know, other mid caps, high cap, mid cap altcoins, you know, follow after a few weeks after Ethereum and Bitcoin have been pumping hard. So OMG, please, thanks. Let's take a look at OMG and hot. I think there are several tokens that are called hot, but let's take a look at OMG first. This is Omega, right? OMG, Omega Network. Yeah, OMG. Let's take a look at OMG here on the chart. OMG US dollar, guys. I'm just going to look at one more token. I've been on over 2 hours here, I think, on the stream. So let's take a look at OMG. OMG against the US dollar here on Binance. Yeah, I mean, seems it has massive pumps and dumps, so it's not too parabolic at the moment. We've had a huge run in March, like every single altcoin. You know, 80% of altcoins have just had a massive run in March, you know. So we're just having a dump here, but it seems like it is doing higher highs in the long run. So yeah, who knows, you know, we can see this huge pump and this huge dump right over here, and then breaking all-time highs. It's just been going sideways and pumping. So if we just take a look at, you know, this correction over here, 50% correction, and this is in days, just in days, yeah, just about a week. So yeah, we've just had another 50 maybe correction over here. Exactly a 50% correction now for the last week. So yeah, OMG, I know a lot of people bullish on OMG. A lot of analysts talking about OMG. We could go sideways here, just like we did here. Massive pump, dump, sideways, and pump to the upside. Dump now, sideways. We might pump and break the all-time highs here on OMG. So I hear a lot of people talking about OMG. Not too familiar with the project, but the chart, you know, looks okay. It seems like it does maintain its value a lot in between, you know, $5 and $10. So nothing too parabolic. This could actually go parabolic in this cycle, but it hadn't done just yet. I've bought into Engine and AMP. Engine, yeah. Holo, yes. Holo chain is look very, very bullish. Engine I know has had a massive run. Let's take a look at Engine US dollar quickly. Yeah, Engine's just had a massive run, just consolidating now. So I do think Engine could go easily to $10 in this bull run. Easy $10. It's just had a massive run. It's one of those coins that has been hovering around the 15 cent. I remember I've been here for a few years now, just in early 2018 in the crypto space, and I remember seeing Engine just hovering around the 15 cent for months and months, as you can see here in early 2019. It did actually go below 5 cents in late 2018, but look, this sideways action. So from the March of 2019 all the way to December of 2020, in between 5 cents and 15 cents. So it's just been hovering, huge accumulation phase, and it's had this massive run up, okay, in the last few months. So yeah, we might see a little bit more correction, more consolidation phase, and then start pumping, guys. Easy $10 in my opinion for Engine in this bull run. We're just going sideways. Let's go to the 1 hourly chart, see if we see any bullish patterns. Yeah, if we, it seems like we have broken from this channel, so it is looking quite bullish. We might get some support here from this channel and continue to the upside. Get supported there, but a sideways action, and then continue to the upside for Engine. It is looking quite bullish. All right, guys, I'm just going to look at, thank you guys for tuning in. Let's take a look at Holo Hot. Okay, I think I've pulled out the charts for Hot before in the live stream. And yeah, I mean, this is looking really bullish. I really like this chart for Hot. Let's take a look here. You know, it's been pumping, going sideways, pumping sideways, pumping sideways, and having a little bit of a correction now, a little bit of a cool off. But it looks like that if we go to the 1 hourly chart, this has created a kind of bull flag potentially. Let me check. Hello, US dollar here against US dollar tether. Yeah, talked about Holo here before because I've got this over here. But yeah, just a decent correction for Hot. You know, we are actually breaking out from this trend line, from this high, other high over here. So yeah, it's looking quite bullish. Kind of double bottom scenario right over here. Boom, boom. Maybe bottoming out, and now we are going to start pumping. All of the cryptos have had this massive correction. So guys, I think May, June are going to look very, very bullish, in my opinion, because we've, you know, since mid-April, with the start of April, first week, we've been starting to having huge corrections, 20%, 30%, even 50% for a lot of cryptocurrencies. But I think we might be going sideways and consolidating, and the crypto space is going to start pumping in May, guys, in my opinion. Right, this is going to be it for the live stream, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoin Sensors website. We've also got an incredible team, you know, with the Twitter account. I posted this today. You know, I think Ethereum was going to hit all-time high. This was posted yesterday, sorry, 20 hours. So make sure to check out the Twitter account for Bitcoin Sensors. Great team we've got. And also the website, guys. We've got great reviews, you know, guides on how to buy Bitcoin, how to trade Bitcoin. We've got price predictions, the latest technical analysis. Guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. I do daily technical analysis here on the YouTube channel. And on the Bitcoin Sensors website, you know, we've got articles and news. So I'll be leaving a link in the description, guys, so you can check it out. And a massive thank you for tuning in, and make sure to smash up the like button, and I'll see you in the